Morning question 9.3 is where I started. And I started because I was about to make a short film just for only one project. But when I opened the program, it was a whole new world. Next, I got to Fimora's YouTube channel. Then the videos itself said it is not a whole new world. It is easy. And after watching those videos, I started working on a school project. When I completed the project and exported and showed it to my classmates, it was a blockbuster in our school. So to proceed in Pomona, I started a YouTube channel posting tutorials called Pranav Tutorials, which you are standing right now.